This is the latest MF Ghost series, which is now in chapter 5. If you are not familiar with MF Ghost, it's a brand new chapter after Initial D. This special issue comes bundled with the Dream Tomica Toyota 86, which now replaces the Tofu car driven by Kanata. I will also compare this latest Toyota 86 GT with the 2012 mainline 86 and also the very first Dream Tomica Tofu car back in 2013. The outer box that holds the Tomica looks just like the manga, and on the back it reveals the packaging for the Toyota 86 GT and also the car itself. Just like any other Dream Tomica Initial D outer box, you can see it showcases our poster boy Kanata together with his ride. First impression is very clean, with the very distinctive 86 on the side. Not forgetting it comes with a basic suspension and opening doors. You can see that the base is marked in 2012 and also the number 46 at the side, which means that this Dream Tomica may be totally identical to the mainline, and that's very easy money for Takara Tomy. Now I see the difference. This mainline 86 comes with a spoiler, but I guess everything else is totally identical. Although both castings are made from different countries, they share the same scale, the same color hues, and also the wheel set in different color variation. The rest is totally identical, including the basic details and fine prints. And now let's compare the latest MF Ghost Hachiroku with the very first Dream Tomica Tofu car. Despite the difference in car model, they pair very well between the Initial D team. Both are the lead cars in their respective manga. One is a legend and the other is an up-and-coming MFG racer who now holds the godly 15 ranking in this latest chapter. If they have to challenge each other in the race, who will win? The up-and-coming Kanata Rivington or the legendary Takumi? Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.